10 strangest discoveries ever made in America. 10. Maine penny. This coin was discovered in Maine in 1957, but it was minted in Norway in the early 11th century. The penny had a hole in it, probably for use as a pendant. How the coin arrived in America is a mystery. The Norsemen are only known to have reached Newfoundland. 9. Devil's Kettle. This waterfall is located in Minnesota. The Brule River splits in two, with one part forming the falls, but the other half slips into a hole at the top of the falls and disappears. Objects dropped into the hole never re-emerge. Scientists are still unsure where the water goes to. The most common theory is that it flows underground. 8. America's Stonehenge. This site lies just outside Salem, New Hampshire. It consists of stone structures scattered around 30 acres. Some researchers claim the ruins are Native American in origin. William Goodwin, the original owner, called the site Mystery Hill. He believed it had been created by ancient Irish monks. Most archaeologists say it was built by 18th century farmers. 7. Carolina Bays. Carolina Bays are strange circular depressions in the earth. There are tens of thousands of them, from New Jersey to Florida. They vary from 600 feet to 12 miles across. The bays are thousands of years old. Their origins are still being hotly debated. 6. Winnemucca Lake Petroglyphs. Winnemucca is a dry lake bed in Nevada. It has some boulders carved with ancient petroglyphs. The markings are at least 10,000 years old. They are the oldest carvings ever discovered in North America. They consist of circular designs and diamond-like shapes. No one knows who created the carvings and how. 5. Poverty Point. This prehistoric earthwork is located in northeastern Louisiana. The complex contains a series of mounds and ridges. They were created sometime between 1700 and 1100 BC. It's the only known example of such a project, made by hunter-gatherers. The purpose of Poverty Point is a mystery. 4. San Pedro Mountain Mummy. The mummy was discovered in the 1930s in Wyoming. It lacked any clothing or artifacts. It's a mummy of a Native American infant with anencephaly. Some people claimed it was actually an early hominid. The original mummy has been lost. A similar one was found in Wyoming in the 1990s. 3. Serpent Mound. Ohio's Great Serpent Mound is 1,348 feet long. It's an effigy of a gigantic snake eating an egg. It's the largest serpent effigy in the world, but nobody knows who created it or even when. The mound is at least 1,000 years old. 2. Dighton Rock. This 40 tons boulder was found in a riverbed in Massachusetts. The rock is remarkable for its mysterious markings. The carvings are inconsistent with any particular writing style. The carved designs have never been deciphered. 1. Lake Winnipesaukee Mystery Stone. This artifact was discovered in New Hampshire in 1872. It's a dark egg-shaped stone, about 4 inches long. Carvings on one side of the stone show an ear of corn and other figures. The other side has arrows, a moon shape, some dots, and a spiral. The stone's origin, age, and purpose are unknown.